Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku charts.com daily analysis for gold for Wednesday, May 1st, 2013. Well, a change of trend today and a candle that's made a lower high and a lower low. The previous few trading days, I suggested that we should be a little bit concerned about continuation of this strong first time frame uptrend that the market was in. We had the small bodied candles, a spinning top type candle, and very indecisive candles, a doji type candle, and did set the market up for a potential change of trend, and we're seeing that occur today. A black bodied candle, and it's been a while since we've seen a black body of this size, suggesting that the sellers have made some decent net bearish progress on the day between the open and the close, so that does suggest potential for lower levels. But if we look at where the market closed, it's closed above the midpoint level. So the sellers have actually lost commitment throughout the trading day. They failed to close with control, and pretty much neither side closed with control, swinging more to the buyers but not very strong control. But the story here is, in a downtrend, the sellers have failed to take control and they've lost commitment, as evidenced by the large shadow on the bottom of this candle. Now, if we look here to the recent past, the market interacted with the 1448 level and was strongly rejected from there on its spinning top type candle, and that's what's happened today, rejected from below that area. But the market also interacted with the Tenkan-sen, and as I suggested previously, when we have a Tenkan-sen that's pointing very sharply with a strong angle, that reflects momentum, and it tends to be an area where the market will find initial support, and that's exactly what's happened here today. So moving forward for tomorrow's trading, and what we're seeing here at the moment is the market finding support there again. So that is a very, very important area that may inhibit any further downside in this market. We also have strong support around the 1432 level, previous resistance, and obviously that area has come into play as well. Now obviously the area at this 1478 level has held as very strong resistance to this market, tested for 3 consecutive days, and now today for the 4th consecutive day the market had attempted to rally through there and has now been strongly rejected from there. So if we are going to see this market trade to the upside and change trend once again, the market will need to trade in a bullish manner up above there. Now, in terms of the Fibonacci extension, and with this new first time frame downtrend, we're looking at the relationship of that downtrend to the previous time the market's trending down. And here we have the first level at the minor level 23.6, and below there the next level is down at 38.2. The 23.6 is at 1421, below the Tenkan-sen. So don't have a lot of faith in the market reaching down to that level. We have a change of trend that isn't supported by the sellers. It doesn't suggest good potential for the market to trade lower. So it is crucial for us to watch the low of this current candle. If we do see bearish activity down below there, we could see the market trade to 1421, but solid support before the market tests down there. In terms of the Fibonacci retracement, and here today we've seen the market test to the 23.6% and be rejected from there. So that does set the market up for a potential change of trend. We have a candle that's tested that area where the sellers have lost control and commitment, and really sets the market up for that potential change of trend. But really very strong overhead resistance around the highs of the current candle. A lot of doubt about whether we will see the market making a higher high and higher low and trading through that area to the upside. Now, in terms of Ichimoku, obviously a market that's trading down below the clouds, so a bearish market in the long-term time frame. We can just see the cloud here, it's very, very thin, and the market was looking very overextended down around here. The market rallied back up towards the cloud that suggests the equilibrium in that long-term time frame. So really what we're looking for, and overriding everything, is trading below there, a long-term time frame downtrend, and we should be looking for potential sell signals based on that. Here the market is now trading down below the Kijun-sen once again. The pink line here, we tested above there in a very indecisive way and been rejected below. If the market can trade through these barriers, the important resistance areas around 1448, 1432, and around the Kijun-sen, around the Tenkan-sen, we could see the market testing down to around the 1400 level. We do also have strong support at 1432. In terms of the short-term time frame, however, the market is trading above the Tenkan-sen, the green line, and has been for some time, and we saw the market rejected from there, as I've already mentioned. So that will be an important barrier to this market if we are going to trade to lower levels. If we do see a bearish close down below there, we could see the market testing back down to around the 1329 level if we can trade down through the round number 1400. But we are getting a lot of mixed signals in this market. Trading very close to the short-term and the medium-term areas that determine the trend, which is the Kijun-sen and the Tenkan-sen. So not a lot of confidence in the signals that are being given by those at the moment. We should be waiting for a solid breakout above or below these indicators. But this is a market really that has very, very strong resistance overhead, but very strong support down below.